Starting today, you will need to wear a face mask in all indoor public spaces in Jackson County, Missouri, even if you're vaccinated against the coronavirus. KABC 9's Martin Augustine is live on this story. Martin, good morning. How long was this going to be in effect?
Cody, at least 30 days. We're going to get more into the details of that timing in just a moment. But first, we're live here outside of Lee's Summit School District headquarters because Jackson County Executive Frank White says he has the support of the county's school superintendents for this mask order, which requires anybody 5 years of age and older to wear a mask in these public indoor spaces. And all of this is necessary, Frank White says, due to the community spread of COVID-19 as driven by the Delta variant, as well as the county's relatively low vaccination rate. In late July, cases of COVID-19 had tripled in Jackson County compared to in late June. Frank White says in issuing this order, wearing a mask may not be fun, but it's our best shot at preventing our hospitals from being overwhelmed, keeping our businesses open, and our kids in school. Now back to the timing of all of this. A new state law limits the amount of days a county executive or health director can issue an order such as this to 30 days. Once you get past those 30 days, then the county legislature or the county board of supervisors and most other counties that are outside of Jackson County would have to approve any extension. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KABC 9 News.
Martin, thanks for the update. If you're headed out in Wyandotte County today, grab a mask. Much like Jackson County's rules, masks are required in all indoor public places for anyone 5 and up. Bonner Springs and Edwardsville are not included in this. Also, remember, the mask mandate in Kansas City, Missouri is in effect for the rest of the month. These same rules apply. Starting today in Johnson County, masks are required in all elementary schools. KABC 9's Matt Evans on the story for us this morning. And Matt, this rule only applies to specific groups of kids and teachers, right?
It does, Cody, and it's really hard to believe that back to school is already here in the Shawnee Mission School District. A lot of students, those elementary students, will be back in class on Thursday, with the majority of students in the district returning to class on Friday. But all across Johnson County, they've got this new mask mandate that was passed last week for those youngest kids. The Board of County Commissioners voted 5-2 to require all students, teachers, and staff in pre-K through 6th grade to mask up. According to county commissioners, this is because those younger kids, they're the most vulnerable right now because they aren't able to get vaccinated yet. That countywide order applies to both public and private schools and is set to run for the entire school year through May 31st. But could always be changed or even dropped depending on those COVID-19 case numbers that we are all watching so closely right now as they continue to spike in our region. While the county has that mask mandate in place for pre-K through 6, a lot of other school districts put in their own mask mandates in place as well following that meeting. For example, in Olathe and here in the Shawnee Mission School District, the same day as the county voted on that mask mandate, their school boards voted to make masking universal for all students, pre-K through 12th grade. All students, teachers, and staff inside buildings must be wearing face masks in those districts. That includes here at Shawnee Mission South High School, where high schoolers return to class later this week, and they'll need to mask up regardless of their vaccination status. We're live at Overland Park this morning. Matt Evans, KABC 9 News.
A lot to cover, man. Thank you. Students on KU's campus will need to wear masks starting today as well. This applies to everyone on all campus properties, even if they've had their shots. School leaders say they made the decision based on CDC guidance. K-State, Mizzou, and UMKC started requiring students and staffers to wear masks inside last week. We've hit another grim milestone in this pandemic. Kansas City, Missouri has now seen 45,000 coronavirus cases over the last year and a half. Right now, we're seeing an average of 206 new cases every day, with an average testing positivity rate of 14.5%. In Jackson County, Missouri, it's nearly at 37,000 total cases, with a daily average of 179 new cases, an average of 18.8% of tests coming back positive right now. The second gentleman, Vice President Kamala Harris's husband, will be in Kansas today. Doug Emhoff lands in Topeka, where he'll tour a vaccination clinic and learn more about the state's efforts to get people their shots. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona will join Emhoff for the trip. Tonight in Johnson County, you can get a coronavirus vaccine when you're done with work. The county will be set up at St. Paul's Catholic Church in Olathe from 5 to 7:30 tonight. Anyone 12 and up can get their shot without an appointment. Vaccine tourism is becoming popular in some parts of the U.S. In San Francisco, for example, hundreds of international travelers are flying into town just to get their coronavirus vaccines. Workers at one clinic say that they've seen more than 1,000 patients from 58 countries since May, most of them coming from Mexico and Taiwan. Many people coming in say they just don't have access to any vaccines in their home countries, and the price to fly to the U.S. is worth getting protection from the pandemic.
Because it's hard to get a vaccine in the Philippines, so it's easier to just come here and you're hitting 2 birds at a time.
Because in Mexico there are no plans. In Mexico, they are very slow.
It costs them only about four to $5,000. That is the most.
The U.S. is now averaging more than 100,000 new coronavirus cases every day. It is the highest we've seen in nearly 6 months, according to the latest numbers from Johns Hopkins University. Canada is reopening to United States travelers today if they're fully vaccinated. The country's health agency says vaccination rates in Canada are now high enough to let vaccinated international travelers in, but the U.S. still isn't letting Canadians cross the border by land unless they're on essential business. We know this is a lot to keep up with. We get it. You can count on KMBC 9 News to help you sort it all out. Head to the coronavirus tab of KMBC.com for a full breakdown of mandates in your city and where to get a vaccine close to where you live.